guys and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a thrift haul just because I have not done one of these in ages and I still shop in charity shops like all the time. To me, thrift shops are charity shops, like my local ones. I just never know what to call them on YouTube. Like, you guys probably think thrift, I think charity shop, but basically all the items are recycled and secondhand and great. So I thought I would do a little video for you guys on some of the stuff I got this week because it's been a good week. I have found some gems. So no, let's get to it. I thought I would start with the non-clothing items first, and now the first thing I got is this beautiful shell. Now, I have a bit of a reputation around my local charity shops. They know me and my mum really well because we're there quite often, definitely at least once a week. And so they put things aside for us if they think we'd like them, and for me a lot of the time that is rocks or shells or anything unusual they get that they think I might like. And this was one of the things that they had for me, and it's quite a sizable shell, but it's lovely and large, and I'm thinking I might use it as a little dish to put, you know, my jewellery in or something like that, or I'll just put it in my cabinet because I have one of these, but I have a smaller one. But I just thought it's very cute, and it cost me £1, so really isn't breaking the bank. So I loved that, and I love mother of pearl. I think it's so beautiful that it's created like that. Stunning. And then the next thing I got, this one's a bit weird. So I saw this in the shop. They were using it as a ring holder, and I just thought that is so cool. Like, I want to put my rings on it. And it's not meant to be a ring holder. I think it is just a spiky ball thing. But yeah, it's like a little ornament. But I'll put my rings on it now. As soon as I saw it, I was like, that is coming home with me, and I'm putting my rings on there. So you have to imagine it covered in rings. So it works so well, and I think it'll look really nice with, like, I have really chunky stone rings that I wear occasionally, and I think they'll just look so funky, like, all around it. So really happy with this one, and this one cost me a whopping £3. So yeah, no, I love this one. I think if I saw this, I would never automatically think I'm going to put my rings on that, but because the charity shop I'm now going to use it as a ring holder. So really chuffed with that one. I'll move it back here so you guys can actually see them. Next items I got are this really nice Levi's belt. I don't know if it's real Levi's, but it's just this simple black leather belt, and what I loved about it was the buckle. I really have a thing for silver and black leather. I just think they look so nice with jeans. It is a men's belt, so I'm going to have to get some more holes punched in it, but my dad can do that for me, so he's done it to all my belts. I never find belts that fit my waist just straight away, but I guess that's a blessing and a curse. And this cost me $1.99, and these are all from like a variety of charity shops. Like, in my local area there's loads of them, which is brilliant. So that's that belt. And then I got, you guys might not be too fussed about these, but they are these lace up, like, don't think they're like up to my knee boots, and they are crazy. I'll probably only wear these like once in my life, but I just couldn't leave them. I thought they were too funky, so I picked those up. And these ones cost me £6, which is not bad for a brand new pair of boots. So I'll pop those there. And then moving on to the geology outfit I got. Now this is definitely the best value for money out of everything. I got these, I don't know if you guys have heard of the walking make MAMMUT. So you can see the little like mammoth logo there, and they're just these small walking trousers, and they even have their belt with them still. Like, they're literally brand new. I don't think anyone's worn these because my walking trousers after one use, like if I use them fossil hunting, they do not look like this anymore. So I thought I'd pick these up, and you won't believe, these cost me, I don't think you guys are ready, they cost me £1. They were on the pound rail. Like, how crazy is that? So I got these for £1, and these are like over £100 new, so it makes me so happy when I get things like that. So they were the best thing of this haul, I think. Easy peasy. And then the next thing I got doesn't quite match the trousers because it's purple and black, but it's just this like windbreaker. It's like in between a waterproof jacket and a jumper. I just thought this would be nice for when it's, you know, not really cold outside or really wet, but you want something a bit warmer. So I thought I'd pick this up, and this one was £5. So a whole geology outfit for £6. I think I did alright. So yeah, I love the logo of these trousers. I think it's so cool. Love it. And it was actually really funny. I thought the make was called MAMMUT, not MAMMUT, because of the logo, but I've corrected myself now. So I'll go pop that outfit on just so you guys can see how sassy it is, but that's today's haul. Cover girl. Put the bass in your walk. Head to toe. Let your whole body talk. And what? Okay, I'm done now. So this is how the jacket fits, and it's just such a perfect fit. Like it's a really structured jacket, but I've never heard of the make before. It's called like Mandetta or something, so it's new to me, but love the fit of it, and just I wanted something a little bit lighter than a coat, but a little bit more than a jumper, and I think this does that perfectly. I just wish it was lined in red, not purple, because then it would match the trousers like as a little set, but I don't think it looks bad. And then the trousers, I still can't believe these trousers cost me £1. Like, it's crazy to me. So they came with their belt as well, like everything was attached, and they just fit perfectly. Like, walking trousers for me never fit perfectly, so to find a pair for £1 that's a really good make is, unheard of. So these can definitely go in my favourite charity shop finds, and I've had a few of them, but these are up there. Because they've got a little bit of stretch to them, like not much, but like enough. So I can bend like all the way down, lift my legs up, so they're not going to be restrictive in any way. So these are going to be perfect for hunting things out, but I'm going to look after them. I don't want these to die on me too quick, just because they're nice. And I don't want to ruin them in a few wears, so I've got old ones as well, so I'll just mix and match them. But yep, that's these ones. Just to give the outfit some sass, put on the shoes. So they are crazy shoes. I feel like I should be like in RuPaul's Drag Race right now. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I also uploaded a version of this video on my other channel, MGems, so I'll link that down below just if you guys would like to give that some love. I'd really appreciate it. But apart from that, if you enjoyed, give this a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll also link my social media down below, including my Instagram and Patreon, so if that's something you'd like to check out, please do. But apart from that, thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you next time.